Are you tired of your blonde hair fading into dull, yellow tones just weeks after a salon visit? What if a shampoo could not only brighten your blonde but also repair damage and keep your hair hydrated from root to tip? The Blonde Enhancer Toning Shampoo promises exactly that, transforming dry, brittle hair into soft, shiny strands you'll want to show off. I've tried countless purple shampoos, but this one stands apart. Living in an area with hard water, my foils never lasted more than 2 weeks, no matter what I did. Even with a shower filter, the yellow brassiness crept back quickly. Then I found this shampoo. After just a few uses, the unwanted yellow tones faded dramatically. My hair felt stronger, smoother, and noticeably more vibrant. It's rare to find a product that cleanses, tones, and repairs all at once, but this formula does just that, without drying out your hair. What makes this shampoo different? It's sulfate-free, so it creates a rich lather without stripping moisture. Plus, it features the only patented bond-building system designed to repair extreme damage. That means your hair isn't just looking better, it's actually becoming more resilient. Whether your hair is naturally blonde, lightened, or gray, this shampoo neutralizes brassiness and boosts brightness from the very first wash. If you're ready to say goodbye to dull, brittle hair and hello to vibrant, hydrated blonde locks, this shampoo is worth a look. It's designed for anyone who wants to maintain salon-quality color longer while improving hair health. Try it when you're ready to experience what real repair and brightness feel like. Don't settle for shampoos that only mask the problem. The Blonde Enhancer Toning Shampoo offers a complete solution that repairs, hydrates, and brightens. If that's you, someone who wants their blonde hair to look fresh and feel strong, this is the shampoo to try next.